Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine. My student ID is 2510999041 and this is my HT task which is about analyzing YouTube video data from news publishers. In this task I had to do sentiment analysis and use the NLP techniques to analyze my data. So in this I was first I had to create video CSV and comment CSV. For that we were provided collect.ipynb from Deakin side. There I had to put specific keywords for my data. I specified the keywords as coronavirus, COVID-19, COVID and pandemic, and I specified the start date as 2021 and end date as 2023 1. These are the channel IDs. Maximum videos 50. These are the libraries. It was given already in the task sheet. This was done prior for data preparation. Now, and this was also done prior. Moving on. So first of all, I did some analysis on my own for the data from 2020 to 2021. I declared a lambda function for polarity and then for subjectivity. I filtered the videos data, got video title, polarity, subjectivity and publish at year. And then I plotted a LM plot to get the regression analysis for the same. This is the graph for relationship between polarity and subjectivity between 2020 to 2021. Here we can see that in 2020, the sentiments ranged from, or the polarity and subjectivity ranged from negative to positive. Though the curve is slightly flat, but we can see that people moved from negativity to more factual and positivity by the end of the year. And in 2021 we had more factual and neutral conversations about, the comments were more factual and neutral, as the polarity is 0 to 0.5 and the subjectivity is around 0.4 to 0.6. Now let's see. Here I've imported some libraries. Import torch. So basically I've used a model from Hugging Faces, and to use a model from Hugging Face we usually run it on PyTorch. So that's why I've imported Torch. It's a deep learning framework. And then I have some components here which are auto tokenizer, which converts text to tokens. Auto model for sequence classification. It loads a pre-trained model for tasks like sentiment analysis. Auto model for SEQ to SEQLM. It loads sequence to sequence models. Then we have pipeline, which is a simple high-level interface for the tasks. And then we have training arguments, which specifies the settings for training, and a trainer, which is a built-in training class that handles training and evaluation automatically. This is my model name. I've imported more libraries. So now this is the next question. So this is the next analysis that I did. I imported the libraries. This pandas and numpys for handling datasets and arrays, torch is for handling deep learning model, OS for adjusting CPU. So basically we have GPU optimization and CPU optimization for NLP models, and here I have used CPU for my analysis. Specified the number of CPU cores to be used and PyTorch version and model being used. Then I did some more analysis to check whether the comments are positive or negative, to check the distribution for positive and negative comments. In total, I had 1101 positive and 3257 negative comments, and this is the distribution. As you can see, I've plotted a pie chart. See comments, comment text, and then I've counted the sentiments. Next up, this is the main question which I solved, which is to do the regression analysis with visualization to test these three conditions. So for this I've used sklearn model, and for that I have to specify the model, truncation, true and sentiment analysis inside pipeline. As you can see, I've created a user-defined function for getting sentiment scores, and to get the sentiment, I've applied it on videos and comments dataset to get the title sentiment score, and to get the sentiments, and I did the same for my comment section. This is the result I got. So first plot is title sentiment versus comment sentiment. Here we can see that there is no strong visible correlation between title sentiment and comment sentiment. The points in the first graph are widely scattered, showing that even if a title is very positive, still the comments does not systematically follow the same direction. The sentiment of a video title does not strongly influence how viewers emotionally respond in comments. And we can see for likes versus comments as well, there are hardly any videos who crossed 1 lakh likes. Otherwise they are less than 20,000. And even the comment sentiment on videos with the least likes, they range from the maximum comments are range from minus 0.4 and minus 0.8, showing more negativity. And for duration versus comment sentiment, we can see the same trend. Video duration also does not show a strong relationship with comment sentiments.